Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to replace the fan, the suction fan in this Xiaomi G1 vacuum, the first ever generation robot vacuum and the cheapest model by Xiaomi. And then recently the fan error came out, and then I realized that the fan is no longer spinning. So we're going to try to replace that. I bought this for RN25 on Shopee. I'll put the link down in the video description below. So without further ado, let's try and open this out and replace the fan. Now previously I already removed the fan, so I'm just gonna try and do that. So I'm just gonna take it off apart again, and then remove all the to get into it, and then put the fan in. So remember to take out your hub, your storage box there, and then I'm just gonna unscrew the screws. Been using this for like 3 years, and it doesn't mop anymore. Yeah, unfortunately it doesn't work anymore. Tried to replace the pump, but it still doesn't drop water, simply because it just won't detect that the mop is installed. So yeah, not sure what happened there. The magnet died or something, I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Now we're removing the small screw underneath here. And as you can see, the charger adapter here all also came loose. Some of the screws is already lost because I've already taken this apart quite a few times. Just trying to see if there's any other screws. No more, and I think you can just start to, oh wait, there is one more here. I'm guessing it's loose. Yeah. Just gonna take this off. Disconnect this. And the battery is there. I've also replaced the battery in the past to one with higher capacity. Yeah. So we're inside now, and this thing just won't sit down. So we're gonna have to remove this first. So there's two screws here, one here, down here, and then the other one here. So just gonna remove that. These screws are even smaller, so keep that in mind. It's actually the same as the one, the bumping hub in the front. So yeah, take this one out, and then you can insert it here already. It's right around here, and so this one came with the original wire. So I think I'm just gonna remove it and then connect it here. Right, and then I'm gonna put this here. I think it sits down like this. Just trying to see how do I sit this. And I'm just trying to make sure there is no gap, so that the suction works well. And I think it's like this. Cool. Now I'm just gonna put this housing back. Yeah. So because this is the thing that keeps it in place. Right? And the other one. Right. Cool. And so there's nothing else on this level. Just gonna put this thing back and hope that everything works well. Okay, let's just put this back on. Just making sure everything goes in correctly. Ooh, what's wrong? I think I need to take it out again. The top housing back up. Just needs a bit of patience. I wonder what's wrong with the front bumper. Gotta have to take this whole housing out again. I think it went in. Yeah. Oh, it's just that this thing is working. Okay. Let's get this thing back up and just put this thing back into the route again. Front bumper just came out wrong. I'll have to investigate. I need to find a way to put it in. Right, it went in. Okay. And then just need to put this thing. The spring is always the spring is always the one that's causing issue when you're trying to put the housing back. But in any case, let me just turn it on and see if it still calls out the error on the fan.
2-in-1 duct compartment with water tank has been removed.
Need to put this back in.
2-in-1 duct compartment with water tank has been installed.
This unit has been like abused for like so many years.
Cleanup all is starting.
You can hear the fan running now. So that's good. Well, thank you for watching, guys.
Pausing cleanup.
Yeah, you can hear the fans spinning now, so that's very good. So yeah, it's a bit louder though, I think. Maybe it's new. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.